and the ribs. So if this muscle contract, rib cage goes down on both sides. If the rib cage goes down, that is, it helps in the expiration. These muscles are used in the post expiration. And the compression of the abdominal viscera. Compression, the transversus abdominis fibers are disposed transversely, and that is the most important compressive muscle. Other compressive muscles are also external oblique and internal oblique muscles. And these compressive actions are used for coughing, sneezing, etc. And then the protection of the viscera. For the protection of the viscera, especially the intestines, the abdominal muscle has got a role. But the viscera of the posterior abdominal wall, like the liver, spleen, kidneys, and these are actually free attached in the posterior abdominal wall. So anterior abdominal wall has got little protective power for them.